welcome to Vida de Val3. My name is Valentina. We're going to clean my master bathroom. It's well overdue. I don't want to say how long it's been, but it's time. The first thing we're gonna do, if you want to clean your bathroom along as well, we're gonna clear all of the surfaces, because I'll show you in a second. I do have quite a few things on my countertops and all that needs to be removed before we actually do the cleaning part. But before you even start clearing your surfaces, make sure that you have all of your bathroom cleaning products in the same room with you, so you're not having to constantly stop, leave, go get stuff, bring it, etc. I personally have a caddy that I just hold all my products in, and it's all gonna be in one place. So we can get started and see how much we accomplish. This is gonna be my dog. My countertops. That's of course my husband's side, the clean side, and then this is my side. I was washing my makeup brushes, so I have that, and then a couple of drinks and just some stuff I need to put away. So let's go ahead, clear all surfaces. Now that you have your cleaning products with you in the same room, that's gonna be step one. Okay, so I just cleaned the mirrors, put the product on the countertop, and did you see my little short person trick? I did put a glass cleaning cloth on my swiffer and then just use that while I struggle. So the countertops are still kind of just holding the product right now. I'm gonna prep the toilet area, and then we're gonna clean the counters and then clean the toilet and finally the shower. So stay tuned. The whole counter is clean. Everything that goes basically back on my counter, I just kind of put here because this is a small area. It's really easy to clean. So I just finished the countertops. Hopefully yours don't take as long. Mine is extremely big for no reason, so it just takes me a little bit longer. It is night now because I did have to go to work between the beginning of this video and the end of this video, and then there was a nap involved. It's nighttime now, that's why there's a difference in the light. And secondly, when you're cleaning, always clean from top to bottom. So work your way down, whether that be doing your mirrors first or doing your countertops first before you do your floor. You never want to make more mess to clean. You always want to kind of either work your way out of the room or clean from top to bottom. So countertops were just done after I do the toilet and the shower, then naturally the floor would be next. But we're gonna make our way to the toilet area. I'm gonna give that a quick wipe down. First, we're gonna go move everything in the shower into like one area, so clear the surface, so to speak. I'm gonna set the product and let the product setting, giving the actual product time to work, because you can't just spray and wipe away. Let the actual product do its job. Then we will clean the bathroom, and hopefully by that time it's done. So I hope you're still here. I hope you click the like button and you subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to have you part of the family. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here for two reasons. My camera is dying, and then the second reason is it's really late and I just need to wrap up and go to bed. But I've actually finished rinsing the shower, so I did let that sit for about an hour, and then I kind of rinse. You kind of saw rinse it off, but before you rinse it, scrub it with you know, like any kind of rough sponge. So I scrub it, and then the other hand's rinsing, and that's kind of how I do the whole shower. Even when I add a tub, that do the same thing there. I typically just have less clothes on when I'm doing that, and then when I'm done, I just kind of shower and get out. You know, YouTube, gotta keep everything appropriate. So I am gonna go ahead and steam the floors, and the restroom will be officially clean. It's exciting. Love a clean bathroom. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do that off camera. So I hope you made it to the end of this video. If you did, I really appreciate it. And till next time, see you. Bye.